sa Isulay.
Yeah, di na. Ay, kusugin nila. Kusugin nila touchdown. Hugyan nila ako sa phone. Wala lang. 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Tanzag Airport. Sagwa welcomes you to Tanzag. Subject for your convenience, it is now 4 minutes past the hour of 4 in the afternoon. And once again, we sincerely apologize for any inconvenience brought about with the delay of this flight due to late arrival of your assigned aircraft from